Imagine making money while you sleep, travel, or pursue your hobbies. That's the power of passive income, money that flows in with little to no active effort on your part. In this video, we'll introduce you to the basics of passive income, why it's important, and some practical ways you can get started. What is passive income? Unlike active income, where you exchange your time for money, like a salary or hourly wage, passive income is money that you earn without continuous active involvement. Once set up, passive income sources generate cash flow on their own. Why passive income matters? Passive income is crucial because it allows you to break free from the time for money trade. With multiple streams of passive income, you can supplement or even replace your regular income, giving you more financial security, flexibility, and freedom to spend time on things you enjoy. It's a key step toward financial independence. Dividend stocks. One popular way to start earning passive income is through dividend stocks. When you buy shares in a company that pays dividends, you earn a portion of the company's profits, usually on a quarterly basis. Over time, as you reinvest dividends and buy more shares, your dividend income can grow. This way, your money is working for you, generating cash flow without you having to lift a finger. Rental properties. Another common source of passive income is rental properties. By buying a property and renting it out, you can earn a monthly income from tenants. Of course, there's initial work involved in finding a property, securing financing, and managing tenants. But once it's set up, rental properties can provide steady, long-term income with minimal day-to-day involvement. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs. If managing a property doesn't appeal to you, consider REITs, or real estate investment trusts. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without owning physical property. By purchasing shares in a REIT, you invest in a portfolio of income-generating properties like malls, apartments, or office buildings, and you earn income through dividends. It's a great option for those who want exposure to real estate without the hassle. Digital products. If you have expertise in a particular area, consider creating digital products like an ebook, online course, or printable templates. Once you create the product and list it on platforms like Amazon or Etsy, customers can buy it repeatedly, generating passive income each time someone makes a purchase. This is a powerful way to earn money by sharing knowledge or skills. Peer-to-peer lending. Another option for passive income is peer-to-peer lending. Through platforms like Lending Club or Prosper, you can lend money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest on your investment. This comes with some risk, as there's always a chance borrowers may default, but it's an accessible way to grow your money passively if you're comfortable with some risk. More passive income ideas to explore. There are so many ways to earn passive income beyond these examples. From affiliate marketing and royalties to high-yield savings accounts and blogging, the options are nearly endless. The best approach is to explore what fits your skills, budget, and interests, and then diversify across multiple streams to increase stability and growth. Passive income is one of the best ways to make money work for you. Whether through dividends, rental properties, digital products, or peer-to-peer lending, creating multiple streams of income can transform your financial future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship.